Okay, this is our video for today. It's super simple because it's just a wrap up of yesterday. And all you have to know is that when you are offered multiple choices, like you have 3 kinds of popcorn and 3 choices of toppings, to get all the possible ways, you just multiply them. So 3 times 3 makes 9. There are 9 ways you could get it. That would be like a large popcorn without, a large popcorn with regular butter, and a large popcorn with extra butter. And then you do that with the medium popcorn without, the medium popcorn with butter, and the medium popcorn with extra butter. And you could make a list like that of all 9 things. So you don't have to make that list. You just have to give the answer. So all you got to do for today, it's so simple, is multiply your choices. All right, there's a few questions about cards on the Schoology quiz from yesterday. So that's the job for right now, is if you have questions about choices, you just have to multiply your choices together. What about the one about license plates? Some people don't process this, but the numbers on a license plate, do you know how many choices there are for a number on a license plate? 10. Why not 9? A lot of people say it's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 choices. Yes? They forgot about 0. Very good. So there's 10 choices times 10 choices times 10 choices. You multiply your choices. You remember that? So the license plate question is about multiplying your choices. How many letters are there? I was surprised how many people didn't know that. 26. 26 letters. So if it's L, K, Z, or whatever it is, 26, 26, 26. And what do you do with choices? Come on, humor me. Multiply them. All right, so the one about license plates just kind of goes like that. All right. And the only other thing we're going to do today is finish up that Schoology quiz and then take what is called the first 20. And that's a 25-minute little quiz that is timed. So that's all I got for you for the video for today.